We will have to switch on the flush once to wet the WC, so that the chemicals can evenly spread later on. Now with the help of our WC brush, backwash the WC water by pushing it backwards, so that the chemical does not get diluted. Also the dirty area under water will get direct exposure to the chemical and will get cleaned easily. After backwash, now it's time to evenly put Harpic or Tasky R6 in the whole of the WC bowl. As I am doing in the video, use around 12 to 15 milliliters of chemical. Close the cover of WC and wait for 10 minutes, for the chemical to react properly on the stains for easy cleaning. We can now open the WC cover and with the help of our WC brush, let's scrub all the parts of the WC starting from the top. Please check my hand movements. If you can replicate this, you will get the best of the results. At last, when the top side of WC has been scrubbed, let's move to the lower side and insert the WC brush till bottommost area and keep on scrubbing with the similar hand movement as I am doing in the video. When you are done with scrubbing, let's switch on the flush and wash the WC brush, and simultaneously the flush water will also flush the chemical present in the WC. Now let's start with the outer cleaning of WC. Here we will have to spray some skin-friendly sanitizer or Tasky R1 to remove the germs and wipe clean the surface. After the spraying of chemical is done, we will now wipe clean the WC with a clean duster. We will start with the WC seat first. After the seat is done, we will wipe clean the back side of the WC cover. These two are done first as they are the place where our body gets in contact, and so wiping of these two areas with the fresh cloth first is advisable. After the WC seat and the back side of the cover, now we will wipe clean all the other areas of WC. And finally our WC will be sparkling clean. This is how the professional housekeepers clean the WC step by step. You can try this method at your home as well to get the best of results. Watch till end and imagine the look your WC will have after these simple cleaning steps. Thank you.